This is the third Match 2 online class for 6th standard of Beren Public Academy. We are continuing the same chapter 10. And today our topic is triangle. Now let's define what a triangle is. Triangle. It is a closed figure, often by joining three non-collinear points. In your previous class, while we were continuing this offline class, you learned what are collinear points. Three or more points which are lying on the same line. Then these 3 points you can see are on the same straight line, so these 3 points are called collinear. But now here in the definition of triangle, you can see by joining 3 non-collinear points. Then non-collinear means, you can see here, look at this. Here we have 3 points A, B and C, and we don't get a straight line touching all the 3 points, so these 3 points are called non-collinear points. So now let's join them. Here we have 3 points, so joining these 3 points we are going to get a figure. We join AB, we join BC, and we joined AC. After joining these 3 non-collinear points, we get a closed figure. This is a closed figure, and this figure is obtained by joining 3 non-collinear points. So this figure is called a triangle. Then symbol, we use this small triangle symbol which is called delta. This is used for triangle. So instead of writing triangle, always, most of the time we will use this small symbol. This symbol is used for triangle. Then now let's go to the parts of triangle. You can see here is a triangle, and a triangle has 3 sides. Then you can see this line segment joining A and V, this is called one side. You get another line segment joining vertex B and C, we get another side. Then joining A and C, we get another side. Altogether we have 3 sides. So this line segment is called sides of triangle. And here in the figure, AB, BC and AC are 3 sides. AB one side, BC another side, AC. These are the 3 sides of this triangle ABC. Then next, a triangle has 3 angles. It has 3 angles too. Now you can see 3 sides make an angle. Here we get one angle, here we have another angle, here we have third angle. So this is called angle. Altogether we have 3 angles. So if you look at this figure, how will you name these 3 angles? Now let's try to name this. Angle A, we can call this as BAC. Then angle B we can call ABC, and angle C, this angle we can call angle ACB. So these are the 3 angles of this triangle. You can see here angle BAC, angle ABC, angle ACB are 3 angles of triangle ABC. And next we have 3 vertices. A triangle also has 3 vertices. Here vertex, what do you mean by vertex? You can see here 2 sides AB and sides BC, they join at a point, and at this joining point a pointed end is formed. This pointed end is called vertex. Like that, sides AV and AC also join at one point and forming one pointed end. This is also vertex. Then here also we have another vertex. So by vertex we mean this point is a vertex. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3 vertices. So A, B and C are vertices of triangle ABC. So here you can see parts of triangle. And another very important point is triangles. We are talking about triangles and 3 sides. 3 angles and 3 sides are 6 parts of a triangle. Of course, vertex are also part of triangle, but we ignore it. We consider these 3 angles and 3 sides. 3 plus 3 we get 6 are called 6 parts of a triangle. The next we have classification of triangle. Now we are going to classify triangle into different types. The first one this first classification is based on the length of the size. Based on how long are the size, we classify triangle into three different types. Now let's see the first one, scalene triangle. What is this triangle? Let's see. A triangle whose all three sides are different is called a scalene triangle. You know there are three sides. If the length of three sides are all different, let's look at this figure. Here is a triangle. You can see this size, one size, this second size, and third size. You can see all these three sides are marked differently. For this side I mark only one time, for this side I mark two times, for the third side I mark three times. This different marking shows that their length are also different. Let's say the length of this first side is 3 centimeter. Then let's say this is 5 centimeter. Let's say this is 6 centimeter. Then in this condition you can see these are not the actual size. Don't measure this. Let's just suppose in this way for our better understanding. Let's say the shortest size to be 3 centimeter, then next size to be 5 centimeter, and next size to be 6 centimeter. Then what you can see here is the length of three sides are all different. If this length are all different, then this triangle is called scalene triangle. The next type is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Let's see, a triangle having two of each size equal. A triangle having two of each size equal is called an isosceles triangle. Now in this type, again you know triangle has three sides, but out of three sides the length of two sides are equal. Then in this figure I mark this size by 2 times, this side also marking 2 times. This equal marking shows that they are equal in length. Let's say this length is 4 centimeter, then this length will also be 4 centimeter, or let's say this third side is 3 centimeter. Then you can see this side 4, this side also 4, this side 3. Out of 3 sides the length of 2 sides are equal. If it is so, then this triangle is called isosceles triangle. And note one more point here. In an isosceles triangle, you know two sides are equal. Then the third size, the unequal size, is called base. I repeat, in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, and the unequal size is called base. The next we have the third type. This is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle whose three sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Here you can see a triangle whose three sides are equal. You know triangle has only three sides. Then in this sphere you can see this side is marked 2 times, this side also marked 2 times, this side also marked 2 times. That means all the three sides are marked equally. That shows these three sides are equal in length. Let's say this side is 5 centimeter long, this side also 5 centimeter long, and this side also 5 centimeter long. Then what you can see here is the length of these three sides are all equal. Then this triangle is called equilateral triangle. And learn one more important point about an equilateral triangle. That is, each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. We cannot say anything about the first two type of triangles, scalene and isosceles. We cannot say anything about the measurement of this angle. But in case of equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60. This angle also 60 degree, and this angle also 60 degree. Whether your triangle is small or big doesn't matter. Each angle will be 60 degree. So these are the three types of triangle based on the length of size. So now let's revise once again. Let's summarize them. Summary. three sides are different, if the length of three sides are different, then triangle is called scalene. If two sides are equal, then that triangle is called isosceles triangle. And if the length of three sides are equal, then that triangle is called equilateral triangle. So with this knowledge, now let's try to do some textual question. This is exercise 10.3. As you can see here, exercise 10.3, textual question number 1. Classify the following triangles according to their size. Now, according to their size, we have to classify the given triangles as scalene, isosceles, or equilateral. Now, let's see the first one. Here, a figure of triangle is given and their lengths are indicated here. For this first triangle, this size is 3 cm long, this size is 4 cm long, and the third side is 6 cm long. 3, 4, 6. As you can see, the length of three sides are all different. So this first one, this triangle is scalene. If length of three sides are different, then that triangle is called scalene triangle. And next we have second question. Here is another triangle where the length of first side, this side is 1.5 centimeter. This size is 1.5 centimeter, and the length of this third size is 2 centimeter. You can see this length is 2 centimeter, but here you can see this two sides 1.5, 1.5. Out of three sides, two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then we call isosceles triangle. Like that, the third one. Here we have again triangle where the length of three sides are indicated as 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. You can see 3, 3, 3. The length of all three sides are equal. So if all the three sides are equal in length, that triangle is called equilateral triangle. So this is very simple. And the remaining these three questions, Roman number 4, Roman number 5, and Roman number 6, you practice them yourself. You try to guess the type of triangle of this remaining three questions. So beside this, I will not give you any homework for today, because you have to read again all these definitions of chapter 10, a triangle, then parts of triangle, and then classification based on the length of size. You have to memorize scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and then equilateral triangle, and try to understand them very well. So we will continue the same topic about triangle in the next class.